Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Vlogs for Less with me, Avanita. Guys, in my video today, I'm just going to show you how I created my first DIY Easter egg tree. Oh my god, it was so much fun. So here, I'm just making some adjustment to my planter pot. So I got this planter pot from Home Bargain and it was $2.99, and I have this jute rope at home that I got previously from the range, and I just use some hot glue just to attach it as I go around it. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I do appreciate all the support you've given me. So guys, please, I can't say please enough, be very careful with your hot glue. As I've said so many times, just be careful with your hot glue, and also be mindful that you're using plastic if you intend to do something like this, because we are using plastic. But this is what it looks like after I've put the rope, the jute rope, around it with some hot glue, and it looks so much better than how it looked before with just the plain black. So it's totally up to you. You can go all the way around it if you want to, but I just wanted to go just half at the bottom and then just at the top. And then I'm going to head just to put some dirt, into the planter pot, and then I'm just going to put my stick. So this stick, I got it from my garden. I just went outside and just cut a chunk of the branch that was hanging, and I cut the ones which has loads of sprongs in it, because we'll be hanging Easter eggs and little ribbons and stuff. As you can see, I just put the dirt in and then just use my hand to press it in. Now I want to give the tree a little bit of a realistic feeling, so I've put in some I'm putting some flowers and there's some little green bits into it, just make it look, you know, really natural. I mean, the limb itself is natural, but I want it to look quite natural. But to be honest to you, I've never made an egg tree before. This was so amazing to do, but at first it was a bit scary, because I'm thinking, oh my god, it looks so weird. But then once I check out and, you know, look, it looks good. And then this is what it looks like after I put all the flowers and stems on it, and I like it as well. So guys, if you want to try this, all the items that I've used today or in the description box below if you want to try it. I got these eggs from Home Bargain, and then there were 6 in a pack for £1, or is it 8? I don't remember exactly how much, but they were in a pack for £1, and I got 2 of each color, and I just hot glue them on because I will be putting them outside next week. I mean, it's really windy. I mean, tomorrow, Saturday, well, today is meant to be windy, so I don't want to put them out and then they blow away, so I just use some hot glue just to hold them in place. So what I should have said before, after I've cut the stick outside, I spray painted it with some gold spray paint, and then this is what it looks like after I've put some ribbons on it. Now I didn't get to record doing the ribbons, but it's just standard. I just knotted some ribbons and just put it on there. I didn't make any bow or anything. I just knotted some ribbons and put on there. Now at the bottom of here, I had these styrofoam eggs that I got from Home Bargain as well, and I just hot glue on some beads onto them, and they look beautiful. So these bunny rabbits, oh my god, they're so cute. We'll go back to it, but just so you know, I got them at One Below. I got these from the One Below in Waltham Cross. They were £1 each, and what I did, I got some tester paint from Wilko. They were on sale for 50p, and I just painted them, and I can't believe how beautiful they look. I did put them here, but I'm not going to keep them outside, to be honest to you. I want to put them in my house. As you can see, they look beautiful to me anyway. But guys, comment below and let me know what you think about my first Easter egg tree. Guys, thank you so much for checking out my video with me. If you like it, guys, comment below, share and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Thank you. Bye bye.